What was this strange object that was filmed in the skies of Gateshead UK? Check out the video. But first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
This video was filmed in Gateshead on the 2nd of February at 6 PM. Check out the video. Here it is. Now this was filmed on the 2nd of February 2025 at 6 PM. Then it was found on a non-Facebook page called the Felling Group, which is a group about a place in Gateshead. There's a strange orb. Some are saying in the comments it's a drone, but looks a bit too high to be a drone. Let's have a look at this video now. Quick look. You can see there it seems to flash on and off. There. You can see here. Let's have a look at the full video.
It's moving that way, yeah.
Too fast for a drone eye. It's got to disappear, hasn't it?
Yeah, very good.
Could be a helicopter, could it?
No, it's too fast. More sound.
You only use them, alright? It sounds.
Oh, disappeared.
Where's it gone?
It's gone.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Stopped again.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, you have been spotted.